How to sell clothes in Roblox mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sell clothes through Roblox. Let's dive right in. Open up your Roblox app and then you'll need to head over to more option in the bottom right corner. And now scroll down and go to create. Now, once you're there, you need to tap on the three lines beside home in the top right. And once you tap there, go to creations. And now you need to go to avatar items. And from there, you can see various options. You can go to classics. And then you can see upload asset option. So you can drag and drop media from your gallery. And then this is how you can sell clothes in Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.